All right. I I'm slowly getting to the point where I kind of can't be bothered to record these videos every time. Um, I just kind of want to just trade without doing the vids sometimes. But yeah, this looks good. We literally tapped that, but smidge, which was telling me it's quite a significant level of price. We're also in a 4 hour gap, but we was in a 4 hour gap last week, so there's nothing new there. So we should be coming higher. I like to see that because we took liquidity there. Alright, okay. Yeah, we took liquidity there, which is nice for our fair value gap, which we've tapped right into. So we've got this opposing 1 hour gap, which could be the target, and continuing to drop, it feels like even more likely to be the target. I'm going to continue to drop this even further. Nice. Doesn't seem like we've got any reason to come back lower now. When I first logged on, I did notice we was accumulating quite heavily, so I want to see what that's about as well. Oh, maybe not. Are we? I know we kind of are. On what account? On what time frame? Okay. Not really. We did take the high already. But I mean, I will be looking for longs, at least to this high. I'm on a bit earlier today. Earlier than usual. Oh, that little 12 o'clock accumulation. Manipulation. So yeah, this is definitely our target. This high right here. And then we'll have to reassess it after that. See how we're fighting against these PAD arrays. But yeah, that's our target. Reasons to come back would be this 5 minute gap. So maybe we could be looking at a trade idea inside of this 5 minute gap. Which also lines up with the 15, which is good. Nothing's stopping us on the other side either. We've closed all those gaps. So yeah. And this is looking like an accumulation. I would like to kind of just rest here for a little. Maybe make a little push up, that kind of thing, and then go off there. I am gonna be risking everything on this. I think because I feel to do all or nothing with this account now. It's like so low that I just feel like I should buy another challenge, but there's no point if I've still got this challenge going. It's just gonna sit there otherwise. So part of me is thinking like, just fucking blast it, like wait for the perfect trade and put it all on the line. So I think I might do that, because doing it with my proper risk management, getting that back to the point of being saved is like gonna be taking forever. It really is gonna take forever because I need to half risk all of this stuff. So like £25 would take me to 9,075. Then I'd have to do another 25 should take me to 9,100. Then I'd have to do 50, which take me to 1,050. No, 9,150. Another 50 would take us to 200. Then I could start doing 100 trades. So 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 10,000, 10 1, 10 2, and then I could risk 200. But like by that point, that's like 15 fucking perfect trades. And I don't know if I've got that in me, man. So yeah, I'm feeling to just kind of blast it and do a diet type of thing. We're good with news today. 12:30 was the news. Okay, that makes sense. 12:30. That's why we dropped so much. Please don't shrink the gap straight away. I kind of like this. The thing I don't like about it is this candle here. Wish that didn't print. Really wish that didn't print, but I feel like we can semi-class this as an accumulation, especially on the 3 minute there. We've got a couple of equal lows, and we've got a bias, like strong bias. So if we can turn around fast on this, then I'll take it. This is also the first candle of the 5 minutes, so we'd want to see this turnaround happen in this candle. This kind of sucks because it's gone very deep into that. Definitely don't want it to come past this low, really. This kind of drop is not giving me confidence, I'm not gonna lie. I only want a small little sting into there. But we'll see how the 5 minute reacts. Getting rocked, getting took, getting slept on, getting shook. I tell you, baby, it's harder than it looks 'cause it's a long way. Okay, double checking this bias again. It's tough really because this is like a news low. did tap into the 4 hour. Daily is cool. Hour is cool. I know hour wise I would like to have seen it take this low. Okay, this is gonna be an invalid trade, I think. Which is fine. See if it's still valid. Alright, now I don't trust it until we take this low. Which would be there, yeah. Okay. Not doing this then until we take that low. That's been violated. Yo, Cole.
You know what I love about Landau? I just love that you're just down to try, bro, and you don't get disheartened, man, as much as a normal person would. Down for the long one, bro.
You never can, bro. The marathon always continues.
Yeah, no, I just wanted to let you know. I was just sitting here, man, thinking like, yo, I've tried so much shit. You know, I'm out here tonight, and now Landau wants to come and go again after what happened last month. And I thought, nah, right, in front of me, then I thought, let's fuck anyway.
Bro, you invite you invite the adventure, and I like that, man. Life's about adventure.
Yeah, hopefully tonight we hit, bro.
Yeah, we will, man. We will.
We will.
And if we don't, then we'll push the car home again.
Yeah, fucking hell. What you up to anyway?
Just sat down to start trading, you know.
Oh, you jumping on the charts now?
Yeah.
Was you on them yesterday?
Yeah, I didn't catch nothing yesterday.
No.
Nah, but it's still a win when you don't lose.
Well, yeah, it's just no movement, and it man. At least you're not going back.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, so it makes the journey twice as long, and if you have to go back and then go forward again.
Yeah. That's what I realised, man. Even no step forward is better than a step backwards. So you just gotta be patient, man.
Yeah, yeah,
What
yeah. I
what
hear that.
what time you looking to finish work?
Um, I've got one more quote now. I've got to go do a little 150 job. Done a £200 job this morning. Have you got any money in your bank? No, not really.
Not that much now, boy.
Oh no, because I got cash in it, man. I just needed to put some money in. I just wanted to put like I want to put £200 on the thing tonight.
I got like 300 in an account, but if you got the cash, I could just put it in my
Yeah, yeah, I've got the cash. I've got the cash in my pocket.
yeah, yeah. All right, send it if you want.
Yeah, got what should I do? 200? Yeah, go on. We'll do 150, bro. I'll try to flip the 150. See what happens with that. Because it's still like 10 still messes up sometimes, man.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
don't know, man.
There's nothing wrong with starting small and just building it up.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's done now, and it's that time everyone has to just focus, man. I just gotta just be eyes on Terence a little bit more. That's all I gotta do.
Yeah.
But yeah, go on. I'll send you some bank details, and I'll just send 150 into it. And when I come and see you in a little bit, I've got the cash in my pocket now anyway. Then I'll give you the 150. It's
All right
just
then.
because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to the bank, man, in time.
All right then. Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Alright. So if I'm thinking 7:45 kickoff is, we're leaving at about half 6, 7.
All right then. What time you gonna? What time you wanna do this verse?
I'll come there before. I'll come there. I literally finish the gym and I can come to yours. Yeah.
All right
I
then.
mean, it depends what time I get back, man. If I can't do gym tonight, I might just have a quick shower then just hit the road.
All right then. Yeah, cool.
Do you still want to come to gym?
Nah, I've already been now.
How you been?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Then what I'll do, I'll quickly go there, shower up, drive back then, and you can just grab me from Chloe's, Nan's, and from there I'll just come stretch yours later, first, then we'll hit the road.
All right then, bro. Sounds good.
Alright, safe.
All right, so. Okay, do we get into this trade? Pros is it's a valid accumulation area with bias with the right bias. Cons, we didn't respect any higher time frame PDA, which isn't the end of the world. It's not exactly a good sign though at the same time. Not even on the 1 minute we didn't respect any of it. Although we came all the way to an order block. Maybe it'll be worth seeing how we react. I don't know. I don't think this is the trade that I want to risk it all on. It's close to it, but it's not what I want to risk it all on. It's just not. So we'll see. If we can get more bullish signs, then I might just jump in like a little small move. But I think for now, I'm gonna leave it. It's not the clearest, most perfect accumulation either. It's not bad, but it's not the best. So we'll see. Looking like we might make a little 3-minute gap. So maybe I'll see if we can tap into this gap here and see how we react. After that, this candle should close on this one now. So we've got a baby little accumulation here. Little accumulation. If we can get an AMD into this gap now, then I like it. It's not really an accumulation, but with the bias in mind and a higher time frame accumulation, AMD happening, then I don't mind it being the small ones. Let's just see if we can even get it though. So far we've inverted this, so it's not a great start yet. It's looking like it definitely is accumulating, which is kind of struggling to push either side right now. I'd love to see it close like that. Yeah, nice. And then give me a little move down here, I'll take it. I'm gonna get this ready. I'm gonna have to do like £45 because I don't want to get like pre-stopped out. Not 45%, £45. And then yeah, I want to see some kind of move down here. I don't think we're gonna get it. But to be honest, maybe this could be the gap that we enter off. Because it's clearly holding, it's clearly got some kind of strength to it. It's not the most clear gap in the world. Come on, I just want to see us sweep all that shit right there. No, that's two 3-minute candles that have closed that way. Couple more minutes and we might even get 2 5-minute candles. That 10-minute accumulation is a perfect amount, really. So far we've got like a 5-6 minute one. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. These ones are annoying because sometimes they don't go. Oh, it's just going to be one strong wick down there. But so far this does look good. We've got 2 higher time frame targets. Really, really slowing down before this 1 hour candle opens. It's going to be very interesting to see which way we go here. Ah, come on, give us some strength. Give us some intent. Definitely the way I want it to go. Alright, so opening 3-minute candle, we're coming down, which is nice. This is looking good. I can call this a valid accumulation now. Just need to hold this. I'd rather we didn't close inside of here as well. I'd like to hold that. $10. Come on, reject it just a little. Okay, didn't reject that. Another not good sign, but need a plectrum ID. Constantly playing my fucking fingernails. Definitely think this is actually a bit. Alright, let's see if this doesn't hold this 3-minute gap. Basically, you need this counter to close above this, above 980. Otherwise, this is pretty much abandon this whole idea now. If it doesn't. Okay, we're looking good. Let me get this ready then. Oh, no, we're not. Let's just do that. Let's see if I can get 109 on it. We're gonna do a 4.6 pip stop. 1.26 lots. 1.2. Then we've got to try and get in at 109 once this inverts. Now it's the waiting game. don't really want it to push past 132 before I get in, if it can help it. It's gonna win it. Oh, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Fucking bullshit, man. Every time a nice trade comes along, I just can't get in on it. It's BS. I don't know which one to do now, whether to have the stop loss there or not. Technically, we've hit our target there. I think I should do the more relaxed one at 0.6. Taking so much targets right now. Price is a long way away, man. It is a long way away. I don't think I'm gonna get in on this. Alright, we might be able to get in finally. Not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna reduce my risk even more because I don't love these long last trades. I don't really want to be in it. And the other thing is, if another setup comes along, I would much rather take a shorter trade. So I'm not gonna overexpose myself in this. Just gonna take a small 0.3 lots. Let me actually just change this to 25. Yeah, 0.3 lots. I will take that. Come on, you piece of shit. That's just making its 5-minute bottom wick. Just closing the gap. I haven't been in a proper trade in ages now. It's going to be an interesting one to feel. Right now, I'm not kind of taking this off the back of a setup. It's just that setup is still in play, so I'm just getting in late on that. And also that has just gave me more conviction for it. It's just annoying I couldn't get in on that. It's unfortunate. So we got another small accumulation, baby. High low, high low, high low, getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Trapped. Looking for the FBJs, but come on then, get me in. Still accumulating. Okay, my heart's going a bit faster now because it knows we're trying to get in. I'll take 107. Oh, I didn't hear the noise. That's annoying. Alright, start loss is gonna be, I believe it's 09 is some stuff, yeah. TP is gonna be, I believe it's 06 or is it 05? Yeah, 05. What price did I get in? Sorry. Oh, 07, okay. An exact 1-to-1. So we're in one position. I would absolutely love to get in on a second. If we can, I don't think we can. But that does look like the same move again. I think it's going to close the gap. I actually will take this. 3 point, let's go 3.7 on the stop. Trying to get in at 114. .88. Let's see if I can get in on this. This would be ludicrous if I can get in on this. This would be some wild ass trading. I do actually feel like that was a little mini accumulation though. Don't want it to take the high yet. I like the inversion, but don't take the high yet, please. Don't want to be overexposing this trade either. 0.88, we're looking at 114 on the entry. If we can get it. Might not get it. We're up on that one. I'll take it 116 on the entry. I got stop is at 7.7. That's not good. TP is at 153. Oh, I might just ride it, to be honest. I'm gonna draw TP out though on this. 153 on the TP. Which one is my smaller order? I'll just stretch this a bit because I can't see which one's my this one and at the bottom one. Okay. Hopefully I'm not overexposed on this trade. Risk is quite heavy. Ooh, that don't look good. That does not look good. That wasn't friendly at all. That's much friendlier though. Back in green on the first position. Back in green on both. Go on, flip green now. Flip green and let's take the profit. Go on, shall I just put a TP at 53? Because I don't know, actually, I want to just ride it a little. I feel like it's got so much more potential than just 53. Just don't know if I'm being greedy by saying that though. I was in at 14, 14, and then 14, 15, 16, 17. Alright. I was in at 14 p.m. and 14:17 p.m. Both on the 18th of March. Number one's looking good. Sorry, number two's looking good. Well, they're both looking good. There's our accumulation high at 148. Maybe I'll just move stock to break even once we take 148 and I'll ride it like that. That's more fair, isn't it? Seems happier. Seems like a happier thing to do. These should both hit. They're looking good. They are looking good. Especially after that big long wick. Now if this comes back down, we're just wrong. I don't think it should though. Bottom one is the smaller trade. A lot of lines going on now. It's a bit of a cluttery chart as well. Alright, 148 is the accumulation high. Maybe 145 is actually it. Okay. Heading towards the high. Heading towards TP now. Struggling to break it. hit yet. This has still got room to move. I would have been stopped if I would have moved to stop loss. Now I'm kind of semi-thinking I should have done that maybe. Okay. We hit the accumulation high and I'm still in this trade. So I am a bit exposed at the moment. Don't really like what we're doing right now. This TP should have been 45. Instead of 53, but we've gone for it and I'm in this position now. No backing out. Nice rejection. Feel like I might lose this one now. Are you gonna invite that? Love to invite that. No. I don't know if to move to start to break even right now. Let's see how this candle closes. Okay, nice, really nice. I'm gonna move stop to break even right now. At 116, we're moving to break even. Could get out of this trade. I think I will actually. Yeah, I'm closing that out for a nice 1-to-1. Oh, shouldn't have. I shouldn't have done it. Oh boy. Okay, never mind. We're about to hit second TP anyway, so that was a win. We're out at 26. Looking for that final push now to this high. Ah, oh, that's insane. I could have, how did I stop? How did I break even? Why did I do that? Why did I even do that? But I mean, good practice, isn't it? Good practice is to just take the low hanging fruit. I'd love to get us back to 9,100 if we can. Maybe I could stretch this one to 1.3, but I don't think I really wanna. I'll be happy at 205 if we can get it. Oh, this is such a shame, man. I could have got 2R out of this. My finger even stopped me as well. I was like, I pressed it and then my fucking finger said, nah, wait, hold up, wait a minute. I'm gonna go break even at this point on this trade as well. No reason for us to come back down, so I'm protecting us, protecting the position. I might even go a couple. What do we on 107? I might go 112. Maybe 114 just to make sure we don't lose on commission. And then I'll just let this ride out. Okay, let's fill this in. So that one hit first, so we're at 9. Zero 7 7. 1R. Go on, smash that. Something ridiculous like, I don't know, 0.1% exposure. Made 25 on that. Yeah, made 25 on that. Let's see the exact amount. £25.10. Okay, don't want to put the 10 right. Have it your way. I'm gonna do 1R at 0.1% or whatever it is. No, sorry, 0.1% would be tenner. So it's 0.25% in it. Should be out on this trade as well soon. Okay, so it's nice and safe now. I draw that IVG as well. Go on, whack it. Just whack it. Failed to close this, but there's no point really. Or should I take the TP off? No. Negative. Negative, sir, don't do that. Honestly, I just want to get us back to 9100, so we can start taking bigger moves again. It's a piss take, man. Don't come back. Don't stop us out. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Don't do it. Got another AMD right there. Just tapped into a 3-minute gap at the start of a 3-minute candle. Don't really think I want to jump in on this though, because it's already made its push. But we should invert that. Oh, do you know what? I'd love to just invert it now so I don't even have the opportunity to get in. But it's not really a gap now, is it? clear bias. Didn't rush into any trades, even when I had a bias idea. I still waited for confirmation before entering. This move was a slightly larger one with a oh, that's 1 minute candles. There's like a half an hour accumulation. Come on then, let's hit this TP now. Let's hit this fucking TP. I'd like to think we'd hit this with some volume now. And honestly, with my TP being right there, it's not far fetched to push it a little further, but it's just 1.3R versus 1R for the risk of losing it. If it was 2R like the last one, which I should have just held, this is another position as well, by the way. Like, we've got a gap here and we inverted it. Small accumulation here into a 3-minute gap. This is another position, but I feel to just move the stop to like there, take £9. It's kind of shit though, isn't it? After all this. Just don't want to, like, this reaction at this, like, what's going on here? What is going on with this, man? I don't even want to move my stop loss back to there because at this point I don't want to lose any money. I just, come on, just rather, let's make some money, guys, you know. Let's all make some money and have happy times. Yeah. Come on, man. Don't make me close this trade early. Me want fi, me don't want fi trade. Me don't want fi close this trade early. Me don't want fi close this trade. Me don't want fi close this trade early. Me don't want fi close this trade. So you have to sing to price in a Jamaican accent for it to go higher. Is that what it is? Now I know the secrets of the market. Now I know the hidden secrets. I don't want to close this trade. 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 Me don't want to close this trade. Me don't want to close this trade. Me don't want to. Me don't want to. Me don't want to close this trade. 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 Don't close this trade. Don't wanna close this trade early. Would you just hit TP? I need to wait. I love this shit, but I need to win. So just hit TP, would you? Just hit TP already. I want to see if you and me would hit TP. Oh yeah, we're gonna about to hit TP. Where we about to hit TP. If we invert this gap right here, then I'm confident we'll hit TP. Oh, we just need to invert this gap. We just need to invert this gap. We need to invert that gap. That's all we need to do. To be honest, if that goes, then even this AMD worked, which is kind of ridiculous. But ridiculous things happen every day. Big old rejection again, which is not good. Right, there's nothing I can do here. I'm just sitting and watching this shit for no reason. So let's generate some chords, mate. Just for the fun of it. Go F major, B minor, okay. No problem. God damn it. Ah, G minor. Isn't that that? I thought that was that. Let's go C minor. I don't think this tray is going to hit, to be honest. At this point. At this point, it's not looking good, guys. We keep rejecting that fair value gap right here. It's just not a good look. Oh, we've just closed that gap to the left. Fuck it. If we lose, we lose, innit? At least I made one win today. A win and a break even today. Can't really complain at that, can we? I'm glad this isn't my only position that I've got open, because this would suck. Right, give me a C minor. Third fret. Oh, we took some internal liquidity now. So now can we push higher? Come on. Beautiful push. No, not so beautiful push. Nice. That's what I want to see. So all we had to do was take some internal liquidity, yeah. Is that all you wanted? And it's still rejecting that fucking same fair value gap. Come on, eventually it's got to break that gap though, man. Would have been stopped out on that trade if you would have got that. That's why I didn't take it, to be honest. It didn't look that strong. High up in the range as well. If this inverts this, I might just close it, I'm not gonna lie. I wanna see this reject this. Fair value go. This little thing here, there and there. Wanna see it reject. I'm gonna move the stop to that low there, I think. Am I £4? Is there any fucking point? We're gonna get stopped out. Break even, it's not a bad trade. Go on then, stop us out, bitch. Not a problem. Close that trade. Like I said, it should still go, but I just didn't want to be in it. And then that was break even. Trade almost hit TP a bunch of times, just messed about. Alright, cool, out at 58. Just fine with me. Good trading. Cool, let's take a little screenshotty of this. This bitch ass thing, look at the state of that. Oh, you're taking a piece. Look at the state of that, man. Oh my god. Oh well, fuck it. We got one hit, and that's all that matters. I think that trade I got in like there, was it? Ooh, fucking news, man. I got stopped out for the right reasons then. That wouldn't have been good. Okay, looks a bit of a mess. Alright, peace. Good chat.